Hello everyone, Chef Keyvan here with Louisiana Pecan Company. Today, I'm going to guide you through creating an exquisite charcuterie board that tells a story interwoven with our signature Smoky Maple-Chili Candied Pecans. Lay out a large wooden board or your favorite platter as your canvas. Begin with the cheeses. I'm showcasing a creamy Gouda and double creamy Brie, offering a luxurious texture. Introduce the meats. I like to emphasize the organic Spanish chorizo, which is MSG-free, a delight for those allergic or sensitive to MSG. Complemented with delicate prosciutto and spicy uncured Genoa salami. Add sweetness with Turkish apricots and dollops of organic Adriatic fig spread, perfectly complementing the savory elements of the cheeses and meats. Introduce the briny touch of Kalamata olives. Arrange your crackers. I have chosen an apricot fig and lemon crackers paired with rosemary artisan crackers. Add tartness with fresh organic blackberries. Garnish your board with fresh rosemary sprigs, bringing aromatic nuances that tie the flavors together. Now let's dive into our board's heart, the Smoky Maple-Chili Candied Pecans. These aren't ordinary pecans. They hail from Louisiana, birthed from Aunt Pearl's eccentricity, known for her vibrant character and flamboyant hats. The legacy of these pecans, with their sweet, smoky, and spicy symphony, has been passed down through generations. Scatter these pecans generously. They bridge the flavors, infusing warmth and a story that resonates with every bite. A piece of Louisiana history, memories, and Aunt Pearl's unique touch. For those interested in the full ingredient list, you'll find it detailed below. And if you're eager to savor this piece of Louisiana history, our Smoky Maple-Chili Candied Pecans are available for purchase at the Amazon store. The link is provided in the description below. There you have it, a gourmet charcuterie board harmonized by our Smoky Maple-Chili Candied Pecans, carrying a legacy. Every bite is not just a flavor experience, but a journey through Louisiana's history. Enjoy.